Here I have Samsung Galaxy M31s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable front camera mirroring effect on this device. So let's firstly open our camera, then switch to the front camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find this save selfies as previewed. So when you have this feature enabled, they will be saved just like they are shown here, but if you disable it, they will be saved mirrored like this. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.